Crop insurance, it remains top of mind for growers as the planting season pushes forward. Our good friend Brooks York with AgriSompo joins us now with some industry insight. Brooks, a pleasure. Thanks for being here. I know last time that you were on with us, you had mentioned that May, July being high volatility period. We've seen some strength in wheat, corn, soybeans over the past couple of weeks. Will today's USDA WASDE report kind of add to this?
Well, it always will add to the volatility. You never know what's going to be coming out on these type of reports. The question is whether it's going to be good for the markets or bad. A few of the things that this may confirm or highlight is may see a tick in South American corn production being a little lower. You've heard of some flooding down in southern Brazil. Also, maybe a surprise with U.S. ethanol coming in a tick higher. It can't come in that much higher. So there are some hopes that that corn number, as far as carryout, goes a little lower. I think the big focus may be on wheat, Suzanne. Wheat's had some great price action over the last couple of weeks, and all eyes are on hard red wheat production, specifically in Kansas, where we've kind of got a split state with some dry weather in the western part and wet weather in the eastern part. And that's going to be a big determinant of where things go in this wheat market.
Well, we know that our farmers producers really need that safety net, and I'm talking about crop insurance. Can you tell us a little bit about maybe the number of claims that you saw this year compared to previous years?
Yeah, you know, Suzanne, we measure claims sometimes in tens and hundreds of thousands of claims during a crop year. So the good news for the crop's sake is, and it surprises even me, we're about 30% of where we were at this time last year. So that means we're off to a decent start. Most of the claims we've seen coming in are prevent plant down south, which we've talked about in the past, also replant. And the good news is both of those are lower, surprisingly lower, maybe in states like Arkansas and Mississippi. I've seen very few replants coming in from the I states, which is a good thing as well.
Anything that you predict as far as we move forward?
You know, the next 2 weeks, we need to watch this price action. We're in this time period that May, June, and July bring us a lot of gifts historically when it comes to price action. It gives the ability for the U.S. farmer to use that policy in a different format than claims and use it for marketing. If we see any strength, that RSI index popping above 60, something that goes from 0 to 100, it may be time to take action. Also, you know, look at these charts, look at stochastics, follow those. It's a great time, even if you're not usually somebody who looks at the chart, it's a great time to take advantage of any opportunities they may provide.
And they can always reach out to agrisompo.com. Brooks, thank you. Pleasure as always. AgriSompo Producer Services Director Brooks York.